Hello and welcome back to MojoGrip. Mike here. If you're new to the channel, I'm a private pilot and I've been flying for about 5 years now. And if you can't already tell, I love to share a lot of my flight adventures. But one of the biggest problems that I've had over the years has been recording my flight videos, more particularly the cockpit audio.
On the airport information, Victor 1948 Zulu, wind 2106, visibility 10, 4,500, scatter ceiling 9,000 broken, temperature 192.10, altimeter 29999.
I generally record my flight videos with the GoPro, and there's this really nice audio cable you can get to record your cockpit conversation. Now I've been through multiple of this audio, and some days it works and some days it just decides not to work. So over time I just decided not to use it again. Well, since I started building my own plane, I've been working together with Midwest Panel to solve some of these problems, and they finally came up with a solution, and it's one that requires no wires. It's actually very simple. It may require me to get another action camera, but I'll let them tell you how it works.
Hi, I'm Adam from Midwest Panel Builders, and in continuing to talk about the Garmin GMA245R audio panel, we're going to talk about how it can integrate with Garmin's Virb action cameras for audio into the camera, and as well how the camera can work with the rest of the G3X system.
Alright, so we've got a Garmin Virb Ultra 30 camera here, and we've got the G3X touch display. What we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to connect the camera to your audio panel. And I should add, this is not just the GMA245R audio panel, but any Bluetooth enabled Garmin audio panel can do this. But since we've got the 245R, that's what we're going to show. So we're going to connect to that, and then we're going to connect to the G3X touch display with the camera itself for the remote function, and show you how that can work with multiple cameras. So first we're going to go to our audio panel, we're going to go to phone and media, and we're going to turn on pairing mode on the 245R. Now we're going to come onto the camera and go to our wireless settings, go to Bluetooth, turn it on, and then come down to add new device, and now we're going to search for the audio panel. This might take a few seconds to find it, and actually there it is right there. We've got 245R, and now we're going to connect to it. And you can see on the screen here we've got my Virb, and it's recognized as a recorder, and then on the camera we see that it's now connected. Then we're going to come back to our wireless settings, go to remote, turn that on, and you can see this one automatically configured itself as a main Virb. If it doesn't automatically do that, then whatever you're going to connect to the screen, you want to make sure that it's main Virb. And then I turn on remote wake up so that if the camera goes to sleep, hitting record on the screen will actually start the camera. So we'll come back and we'll go menu, tools, and Virb. And you can see that it's already searching, and it has now found my camera and connected to it. And we can go ahead and go back to our main screen, and if I hit capture photo, you can see that it just took a photo. On our secondary camera, we're going to go to our wireless settings on here as well. We're going to go to remote and just make sure this one's an extended Virb. So what's great about this system is the main Virb gets the commands from the screen, and it sends out that command to all the extended Virbs, kind of like a relay system. So now, if we just hit record on the screen, you can see that the red recording light turns on both cameras. So now we can go ahead and put our headset on, and like the intro audio that you heard to this video, when you put on your headset, now all of the intercom audio is piped
Through to the camera, and so now you can record all of your flying adventures wire-free.
So that's a basic overview of the Virb's integration into the Garmin G3X touch system, as well as the Garmin GMA245R, or really any Bluetooth enabled Garmin audio panel. Another feature worth mentioning, the G3X screens have a video input on the back of them. So if you wire your airplane for it, you can actually get video out of the Virb into the screen, and then on the video page you can either have it split screen, kind of like what we've got here, or you can have it replace one of these inset windows, and you can actually control the camera right from those positions as well, instead of having to go to the tool page on the G3X. Another cool feature for those trying to make videos in their airplanes is that the Bluetooth connection from the audio panel to the camera also will follow isolation modes as if it was the pilot position. So what that means is, if I go to the audio panel here and I pull up my isolation, if I hit pilot isolate, the camera will only hear me as the pilot now because the rest of the aircraft is isolated from me. Similarly, if I go crew isolate, now the pilot and co-pilot positions will be heard, but any of the rear passenger positions will not be heard on camera. For more information on how the Garmin Virb can integrate with the G3X Touch in your sling, or for other questions about the G3X Touch system as a whole, please give us a call, 810-356-3855. Visit our website, midwestpanels.com, or go to our Facebook page, Midwest Panel Builders, and you can message us there, and also look through all the other content that we have on there as well.
So as you see, guys, this is a great solution for anyone who's been having the same problem. With a simple Bluetooth connection, you can record all of your ATC audio. And currently we've tested this with the Garmin Virb, but I have quite a few GoPros, so I'm working with Midwest Panel right now to see if this same solution can work together with a GoPro camera. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if this is your first time on the channel, make sure you subscribe with notification bell on. Again, my name is Mike. Thank you so much for watching. A great way to support the channel is by becoming an MVP member on MojoGrip.net. See you guys in the next one.